What's up guys? This video, going back to the BK1, we're doing two things, actually four things. Side markers that are smoke gray, blocking this out. We're gonna add switchbacks to our turn signal, our low beam. We are changing it to an H11 LED. So from here, we dechrome everything. Hopefully it's black underneath so I don't have to paint. As seen on previous videos. Now hopefully it's black underneath so I don't have to paint anything. It looks like it's a gray. So we gotta paint it, guys. Shit. So clearly the dechroming method sucks. I'm gonna just sand this down and just paint over it. Do it old school. Let's go. These are 2000 grit sandpaper. Alcohol it. Where's the alcohol? I don't know, somewhere around there. We got mask, paint, light. We'll leave it at that for 10 minutes and we'll come back. We got 2 coats going on this. We're gonna let this cure overnight, come back after like 24 hours or so. 24 hours later, and this is what we have. Gloss black, no chrome. So much better. Shoulda came stock like this. Check these out. Before, after. I forgot how to even serve it. I think it's like this. Jeez, okay. Alright. So much better.
Here I decided to change the low beam to an actual H11 connector, so the new LEDs can easily be plugged in, no problem.
Connect your bulb just like this. Twist it on. Bam. These are the difference. This is the switchback. See, there's like amber and white or whatever. So it goes from here. Then of course lastly is our low beam projector. Alright, beautiful. Once they're sealed up, that's how it's gonna look like. And we're done, guys. We are done. Can't wait to see these guys installed on the car. It looks so wicked right now. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. If you guys want custom headlights, tune in to GencoupeDiy. Peace!